Okay, so welcome again in this new episode. We will check the algorithmic levels and the supports and the resistances for Yearn Finance. Many people are asking me Yearn Finance only, okay, to be honest. No one asked me about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, so Yearn Finance only. I think maybe we have influences on the levels we had in my previous video, so I think that's one of the reasons. So guys, first of all, thank you very much for your support and thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. Okay, like I told you, we are going to teach you how you can trade based on the algorithmic levels and also take the right decision by understanding the market conditions and understanding the market correctly and properly. Okay, stop following people who are just technical analysts or technical analysts. Sorry, technical analysis, it's something expired now. We should use technical analysis as a language. Enough. Okay, taking decision based on the technical analysis, let's say rules, it's something that will be used against you. Okay, sometimes we have to buy the resistance and sell the supports. Okay guys, so remember that's rules. Okay, we have to buy the resistances and sell the supports. At some points we can do that actually if there is something deserve that. So guys, now let's just jump to extract algorithmic levels for Yearn Finance, and then we can I can teach you the meaning of selling supports and buying resistances. So guys, that's why I'm telling you, please check my previous videos. There is something matters there. Okay, you see, okay, could Yearn Finance visit 10k? Okay, and we had some, let's say, descendant channel, and I told you that okay, we can have some correction, but I believe personally that $10,000 is one of the algorithmic levels that Yearn Finance must visit. Okay, and that's what happens today, guys. We almost had lower than that. Okay, okay, it's yes, we had a breakout, so it's 9,600. So now guys, the big question is, are we now ready to buy Yearn Finance? I told you guys already, do not trust this kind of tokens, okay, or coins, or even whatever. Okay, this kind of tokens has been created for pumps and dumps, nothing else, guys. I am not against Yearn Finance. I am not saying that just to hurt your feelings. I know some guys are having an affair with tokens. Okay, do not defend Yearn Finance like you are defending your girlfriend or your wife. No, you are here for your interests. So if someone gives you advice that you should prevent that, then prevent it. Okay, or at least do your research and listen to the advice. Okay. Don't think that by hitting dislike or writing bad comments you will hurt me. I don't care about your comments. I care about that my advice will work for you. Okay, and you will find that. Unfortunately, if you don't follow my advices, you will lose money. This is the, let's say, the tax. Okay, so guys, now there is nothing called support and resistances in pumpy dumpy coins. Okay, there is Genesis candle, period of inception, then accumulation phase, pump and dump. Okay, so let me explain to you. Here you can see, let me just open the monthly chart so we can be more clear. There is one candle, one monthly candle. In this one monthly candle, guys, we cannot rely on it and say, okay, we are now happy and everything is right. And you may see some YouTubers talking about 100,000, 200,000, $1 million. It's superstitions, guys. Okay, just unfortunately, these guys are have a lot of followers. They people love something that encourage them. But in financial markets, I should not encourage you. I should put risk management in front of you. Okay, I'm not telling you Yearn Finance going to $1 million. No one knows. But we have rules we have to follow. Okay, so the first advice, do not listen to the influencers. Okay, if you want to make money. So next, this is guy the Genesis candle. Okay, this is the Genesis candle. You can simply set the high and the low. So you can, let's say we can have forcing the price, and we can get an aerial image so that we can be ready to see where the market is going. Okay, so now guys, what we are doing now is we are creating some inside bars, okay, inside the mother candle or the Genesis candle. So all of these candles that will be starting from 3,000 to 40,000 are only inside bars. And you can read about inside bars, and you will find that genius traders will never take an action inside, let's say the mother candle. Okay, so these are inside bars and the mother candle. But we should understand that when an inside bar gives a not bad, but you say negative image, we can follow the instructions to follow, or that help us to get into the right trend. So the first inside bar, if it's bearish, then continue to the bearish side. That's why I told you already, we have to visit $10,000, and maybe we can get into the $3,000. There is another tool here. It's called the fiber retracement, Fibonacci. You can start from the low to the high, like that, and you will see, and you can check if something is respected inside the market. If not, then thank you. Okay, how do we know if something is respected? Simply, if the high and the lows are respecting this level. So this is the first level, okay, and okay, so you can say some kind of respect. Okay, let's modify it to the same weekly level. Okay, so like that. Okay, okay, it's fine now. Okay, it's fine. So now guys, what do you see? Simply, we have a level here, and we are about to break lower than this level. What do you mean by we are about? Simply, I'm talking about closes. If we don't close at least lower than that with the 24 hours, if it's a weekly support, and 4-hour candles, if it's a daily support, then do not say it's negative. Okay, so here guys, you can see that this is the first candle and this is the second candle. So some kind of bearish signal, but we have to wait for the pullback. Okay, wait for the pullback. How can we know the pullback? What is the extension for this pullback? It's simply like that. You can use 5 trends, trends, and you can use the Fibonacci to, let's say, focus on these levels, and you can see the if it's actually not available, but we can say if it's honest. Okay, for example, if this level here crossed by some Fibonacci level, then you can say, okay, the trend is true, and this trend have a power. If not, then you can just modify. So now guys, we will delete the Fibonacci levels, and then we can now use the small, okay, or the small waves, or the, let's say, the short waves. So from that level here, we can use, okay, 5 retracements, and you can see guys that the 1.61 is almost to 8,000, sorry. Okay, so this is the first level we have to set in our chart. Then we can have 5 circles like that. Okay, so okay, you can see here, this is the first level, which is the high of the day. Okay, and also this is the second level. So we should not add more levels, so the charts can be confused or confusing. That's it. It will give us confusion taking a decision. Okay, so guys, now it's fine. You can see that we are about to create a bullish candle. As long as we are below this level here, there is something negative. Okay, you can use short selling. You can use short selling by simply trading the high and the lows. How can we do that? Simply wait until the closure of this candle, okay, and then you can use, for example, if there is a high of this candle, not candle but the wave, okay, you can just adjust it to $100 and you can set your stops higher than this level. Okay, some people are setting their stops 3% higher than the level, some of them 5%, doesn't matter. Okay, but if you see a bullish candle and your stop are 10%, just modify or close it. Okay, just close it. Do not use do not be like a robot. 5%, no, follow your risk management. Sometimes we can enter a position and we have a stop and we have a take profit, but we have to close and wait for the next wave inception. So now guys, Yearn Finance is at some negative levels. This is our first, okay, this is our first decision we can take. So if something really happens here, then we can target the $9,000. We can use some okay, you can use the leverage. Sorry, by using the leverage you can make some extra money. For example, multiply by 5. If the price drops 10%, then it's 50% of your capital. Okay, so you know, easy money, but you should be careful, because as well as 10% of take profit is the same for stop loss. So 50%. Okay, 50% take profit, 30% stop loss. So what do you think? Are you going to short now? So guys, here, this is the level. So wait for the closure. Okay, there is another thing, guys, very important, and very actually it's very useful. Here you can see this is the moving average. Okay, this is the moving average at the highs, because we are targeting support and resistances. So wait until the price achieves here, and then when you see let's say a reversal candle, you can simply short selling, okay, or you can open a short selling, and then you can make a lot of money by simply dropping, and you have an exact timing or right timing. So this is one of the options you can do trade Yearn Finance. So guys, this is it for this video. Nothing actually remains for this session. Thank you very much for your patience, and thank you very much for watching my videos. I hope you guys just subscribe to my channel. I'm not asking any money for teaching people, okay? We will teach you for free of charge, and also we will, if you agree, we can create a group so we can have, let's say, some signals, so you guys can benefit from that actions and from that moves. Especially a lot of people are losing money, but I need support, guys. I cannot do that with the 400 subscribers. Okay, appreciate your subscription, but we should have at least 2,000 or 3,000, so we can have something deserves. So guys, if you agree, just hit subscribe button, okay, and let's create some signals, and let's help people recover, or help people make money if they are the first time here. So thank you very much, guys. Have a good day.